elevations. I don't know if it's just by the parking lot. There's the observatory. Oh, they have different stuff. Oh, so this is a solar system model. Oh, you can see how far out everything is. That's from the sun. Oh. Then Mercury is the next closest. Venus, Earth, and these are proportional in size. Our distance, Mars. Then you can see they just go further and further out. There's some there, and they go all the way out to there. Or it's by the building too. There's a spider down here. I didn't even see him earlier. And they have this guy in the chair. So it's Hawthorn Hollow Nature Sanctuary and Arboretum. I never knew this place was here. Looks like a lot of hiking. So March 1st to October 1st, 8 to 5, and then November 1st through December 23rd, 8 to 4. Oh, and then they're closed after 24th through spring. So they're open until 5 tonight. So this is my first time ever here. I didn't even know it was here. I just found it on the internet, and it's a 76-degree day at the end of October, which for the Midwest is very rare. So I figured I'd come out here and see what there is to see and enjoy the nice weather and fall colors. I guess they have a story walk project. See all the fall colors there. Trillium Trail and Flower Garden. I think I'm gonna do it this way because this was the only one heading north. So I figure I'll do it this way and I won't miss anything. Maybe 5 degrees cooler in here. That's where we came from. So these little signs for kids to read. They do have a historical farm, like farm buildings, school buildings and that, so we'll see that a little bit later in the video. I'm just doing it mainly for the hiking. And it looks like it's crushed tree shavings. And then obviously all the leaves fell on it, so, oh, just got hit in the head with a acorn. Blue sky today. I came out here, it's really nice. Meadow Trail and Hawthorn Trail. Oh, they were behind me, so it doesn't look like it's that long. There's actually a little creek here. Kind of goes down and around. I'm gonna stay on, this is the East Meadow Trail. I'm gonna stay on that. Oh, I guess I could have saw the water here. I like when the water's next to me. Oh, it follows along the river here. As the river turns, so do we. And it looks like there's a bridge coming up here. A lot of the leaves have already fallen here. This is probably 2 miles from Lake Michigan. West of Lake Michigan. I believe it's Kenosha County still. Here's a little bridge. Go over the creek. Oh, the thing that I thought was a bridge was actually a tree that fell over the lake. I have all these little bridges here. I know they're kind of hard to see, but with all the leaves, I mean. See where this takes us through. I'm just doing it for the hiking. I love fall hiking. Little incline here. See all the different colors of the leaves. A lot of reds this year. Really deep reds. Now this one's not marked, this trail. I think that's the one I came in on. Or maybe it was this one. Oh, chipmunk just went by. So this says East Meadow Trail. There's no sign here. Oh, private area. So I have to go out this way. So I guess where that other sign was, where I first showed the water, maybe that's where I need to follow along now. I check my phone in a minute just to see. Right there, and take that through and go to Margaret's Garden. So this should be the Hawthorn Trail. Yep. So we're on the right path. Another look at the water there. See the leaves going down. Probably go across on that tree. I wouldn't, but it looks like you probably could. And I don't know if this river is a boundary for this arboretum or not. Oh, the trees up there. So Hawthorn Trail we're coming off of. That's where we'll go next. Looks like a fire area. Yeah, you can grill and fireplace. Oh, here's the amphitheater. Goes down around and they have the arch in the middle. I believe this goes back to where I started. Maybe when it rains, there's a little creek that goes through here because there's a little stone bridge. Climb up there. You can go up here a little bit. This looks like the upper swamp trail. It goes to this big area up here. There's just benches and Lots of big trees. There's a trail over there as well. They have some benches to sit on. That's a private area. I think this goes back around, and I'll come back out by the fireplace. They do have a pet cemetery in here. Little bird bath. I think that one I can take back. Oh, that's the trail I was on earlier. It's another one of the Halloween decorations. So here's the overlook. It jets out pretty far. See the trails down there. That's looking down. Coming from the overlook. So amphitheater and historic buildings, that's where I need to go. It's a little path here. You can never judge by the maps how big these places are. This one doesn't seem crazy busy or anything. Or crazy big. Not busy either, but it is also a Tuesday. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. It's an unseasonably warm day. It's 76 it says right now, or where I'm at, so. There's those again. That's where I came from prior. I think this is the first time we've been able to cross the creek. It's moving pretty good. You can see how fast the leaves are going. And this is what it looks like the other way. So it says this is North Hollow Trail. This way. Try to get behind this, the sun behind this tree. Look at how massive this tree is. I don't know what kind of tree it is. I mean, that's my hand, and look at just this knob coming out of it. Another little creek bridge. Train must be around me, I hear him. Probably an Amtrak. That just flows into that creek there. A little bit of a climb. Maybe 15, 20 feet. Got the canopy of all the fall colors there. Looks like a newer bridge. Still have to find the historic buildings too. I think they're this way. Old Indian Trail. That's where I'm on here. A lot of the old Indian trails followed the river. Those are some nice fall colors with the blue sky. I think by those telephone poles might be where the train is. Great fall colors. So I'm at the Prairie Trail and Old Indian Trail. See what this big mound is over here. Oh, this is a wigwam. If you want to read it, you can pause it. The wigwam looks like it collapsed though. It looks like inside. Sticking the camera through the hole. More fall colors. I think they'll probably have to maybe they rebuild it every couple of years, I don't know. That's what it looks like inside. He just stuck the extension rod in there. See, it goes down a little bit there. Nothing big. Just a little bit. A lot of yellow here, not a lot of red. There was on the other side, but this side it's mostly yellow. Hoping this takes me back to where I was. Looks like it will. Going back down. So I think this should take me back to the old buildings. Like I said, I know they have a schoolhouse and 2 or 3 other buildings, so I don't know how big it is. See all the leaves falling. About another week in the Midwest will all be gone. Probably trail on the other side, which is the one I did earlier, I think, on the other side of the river. Very peaceful in here. Actually, University of Wisconsin Parkside is across the street. Fall colors. I don't know what this feeds into. It's going pretty good though. It must feed into some bigger lake. Some bigger lake or river. Take all the leaves downstream. Ruh-roh. This area is closed off. It looks like it was a bridge or an overlook. Let's see. I'm sure it's the structure that's a problem and not the trail. Oh, what's weird is this is the bridge that I came, and then the people with the dog were right there. So I don't know why they said we couldn't cross it. On the Old Indian Trail now going the opposite way. I believe we will hit the schoolhouse, town hall. They actually have 2 schoolhouses. Yep, here they are. I'll turn the camera around so the sun will be not in the face of the camera. So at the Old Indian Trail, got the outhouse. Wonder if it's, yeah, they keep it locked. We can see in there a lot of bugs. Here's the buildings. Like I said, I'll turn around so we can see it with the sun lighting it up. So this is the 1847 schoolhouse. So this will almost be 200 years old. I don't know if they'll let us, yeah, they lock them. I have a feeling on the weekends they might be open. See what we could see through the window. That's the trail I took in. Go up here. Just trying to block the glare there. The old school desks there. Old heater. This would be where the teacher would be. Doors back there. So that's the 1847 schoolhouse. Now this, I believe, is a village hall. Town Hall, 1859 Town Hall. Same thing, none of these will be open either. I don't think there's something up there. It's like a hornet's nest. Oh, looks like they're shoring it up. See what we can see. Again, there's a lot of reflection in the glass. Oh, that's better. Get right up to the glass. There's an old telephone on the wall. I don't even see that lamp up there either. Oh, the light hanging from the ceiling. I think that should come out pretty good. So that's the other side, or this side. And the first schoolhouse, now we'll go to the second schoolhouse. Original Town Hall, 1857 to 1965. Oh, formerly located. I was going to say it's in the middle of the woods. So this will be the 1906 schoolhouse. It says use west door, but again, probably on the weekends it's open. We'll put the camera up. It does have a basement though, which is surprising. I don't know if when they moved it they put that. Oh yay, this one's open. Oh, this is cool. It's actually air conditioned. So I was walking out there. I'm glad at least one was open. Big fish. There's the class. So I think it was actually back here where that picture was taken. I don't think they had bathrooms in the thing. Yeah, that's locked. Two slided slates, different books. Has a little house on the prairie vibe to it. And get most of the room in. I don't know if those are original lights or not. A little hard to get in. No, actually it's not. It can actually fit in these desks. And again, this isn't where it was originally, but I'm glad to see they restored it. Moved it and restored it here. I remember these in grammar school. Map of Wisconsin, the flag, and then here it is. Oh, this is the teacher's desk right here. Let me go back here. Kind of used to them in the center in older schools, but maybe this was right when they started putting them in the corner. That's what the teacher would see with all the students. Really glad this one was open. Here's the Prairie Trail. And there's the old buildings there with both the schoolhouses. I think that dead ends, so And I gotta go over here. Where those people are coming out over there is where I need to come out. So I'm gonna go to that next section. And you just sit here. That's the 1906 school building. 1859 town hall right there. And 1847 school building right there. I go on the trail here, comes out here. Oh, these must light at night. Little candlesticks. Oh, here's a school sign. I'll take the trail back down here. And this should take us to the other section where there's a lake and stuff. Now, I don't know if I need to go that way or this way. I'm gonna check the map and start it back up. Okay, so here's where I need to go. I overshot it. South Hollow Trail. I'm really glad I took a picture of the map, because you do get disorientated in here. There's the water to the left of me. It's only open till 5, so I don't know what the candlesticks from the tree were for, unless I have a special Halloween night, possibly. Oh, here's a little creek bridge. Hope you can see the leaves falling. Whoa, missed the rock there. Now they're not falling as much. Another bridge. Kind of hard to see with the leaves there. Boy, oh, that's kind of cool with all the leaves coming down. I do love a warm fall, because you can actually get out and enjoy it and see everything. Oh, a lot of steps here. This one's got a lot of colors in the leaves. Still walking on the big slabs. Okay, so like here, there's a bridge. Oh, going back up to here. Oh, I hope I didn't go in a big circle again. Oh no, it looks like it's continuing on. Ah, here's some signs. It's always good when there's two, because then I can plot my intersection, where I'm at. Old South Hollow Road. Oh, an old Indian trail. That's what I needed. It rained a couple weeks ago, so that might be why this is so, why they have the boards down. See all the yellow. Oh, there's the buildings way out there. Way out there. So I'm at Prairie Trail and Ravine Pass. I take this way up. Oh, here's a map up here too. So came in here, parked here, visitor center. Believe I did it this way, the trail, came back out here. Oh, actually I think I came back this way. Then did this, up and around, crossed here, wigwam, back around. A lot of redo, and then this way, came out by the historic buildings. Then down here, and I'm right here now. So Ravine Pass, and then this is the area I want to do now, the Coffer Trail and the Walnut Trail. Observation blind, boardwalk, loop, wetland trail. So compared to the rest, I mean, it looks like it's probably a third of the size, so it shouldn't take that much longer. Getting all those fall colors in. Oh, that's cool looking down. Into the ravine. I guess that's why it's Ravine Pass. Just looking left and right instead of just forward. This is probably the last good week for colors, especially if we get rain and wind. That will really bring them down, the remainder. Because some of the trees you can see back there are already bare. Oh, here's some nice reds. Those are just changing up there. Wind's picking up a bit now. I'm going to stay on the Ravine Pass, which will turn into the Walnut Trail. And then that'll take me into that water area. I don't know how big it is, but some water down there actually. It's like a swampy area, I believe. Maybe like a marsh. See some of the water coming in. That's not what we're looking for, it's just a little bit, but colors are really good there. Looking back. So I'm still at kind of like the same intersection passes itself twice. And up here it looks like it's closed, but maybe there's a way to turn off at the very end. Camera won't do it justice, but the ravine is way down there. Well, not way down there, maybe 20 to 40 feet. Oh yeah, here's the Walnut Trail. Straight ahead is private, but then it Walnut Trail's right before the private area. Colors really pop with the blue sky. So Walnut Trail and Ravine Pass. Let's look at those fall colors. These trees look like they might have already dropped their leaves. Here's a little tree with some color left in it. Very orange. Yeah, these already lost their leaves. You can actually see on the ground there aren't really any, so I don't know if they picked them up or if they all blew away or if these trees are maybe didn't have many leaves. That's an evergreen. See how tall those trees are. Evergreens just have green at the top. So I don't know if these got some kind of disease or what. Oh, correspond, that's what I'm looking for. Spider web nest. I'm on the right track, or the right trail. I need another update because I think I go that way, but I want to make sure. Walnut Trail and Conifer Trail. So from there, it does look like I'm supposed to go this way. People are getting a ride. Well, this evergreen's got some green to it. Oh, so that's what they're trying to build here. The other thing is, I don't know where the water is. I have an area over there with like they have stumps and seats. Big bonfire area. I don't see any water. Oh, it's back there. So the sign's actually over there and the water's back here, but I don't think there's actually a trail to it. Squirrels left all their shells. Unless this way does it. There's another trail that goes to the left. So Staghorn Loop and Conifer Trail. That's Conifer Trail. This is the Staghorn Loop. Yeah, I guess you can't get close to the water. I mean, once they put in the bird thing, you will be able to, but let's see which way is the best to get back. It says that there's an observation blind back where I was, but I think where those boards were taken out, they actually removed it because they're going to build the other thing. So I'm going to take this one back. There's actually a restored bridge here. This is a wetlands right here. With wetlands, there's really not a lot to see, except when you're actually on the bridge. You can at least look down or out and over. Kind of neat, it's very shaded in here. This is by the wetland area. Hopefully it stays somewhat stable. It doesn't like dark scenes. Oh, that's if you wanted to go back to the other trail this way. I don't know what's out there. I think it's kind of, oh, that's just a trail right there. And the end of the property line. So I'm technically on the wetland trail. So here's the boardwalk area. And the wetlands there, and that's where I was walking before. Kind of where those people are over there. It's very dry here in the Midwest this year. I think this would usually have water to it. Not a lot, but some. Bunch of evergreens out there. See all the pine needles on the ground. I believe we're going to go this way now. This concludes the video from Hawthorn Hollow Nature Center and Arboretum. I was here for just under 2 hours. Did most of the trails and it was my first time here, but super easy hike. Not a lot of elevation changes. There are some with a lot of stones that are somewhat even, but definitely worth coming out for. Like I said, they just asked for a couple dollars donation and right at the beginning, and that's it. If you like the video, click the subscribe button so I can make more content like this with hiking trails and such in the Midwest. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like the video to help out the algorithm. Thanks for watching.